Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller, and this is finding the cheapest pizza or kebab. Hopefully it's pizza because I want pizza more than kebab, but it is whatever is cheapest. Basically, I want it to be £5 or below, which I don't think is going to happen in Brighton, but let's see. So I was getting very annoyed as I couldn't find anywhere that was open, but I finally found somewhere. I'm going there right now, and it is Domino's, and this is trying Domino's for the first time ever. And I got a pizza which is a 9.5 inch, which costs a total of $5.99 for the pizza. With a drink it was $7.60. The drink was $1.61 for a 500ml bottle of Coca-Cola, and the pizza I got was the 2-topping pizza with tandoori chicken on it and chorizo on it. So I'm gonna go get the pizza, and I will see you once I've got the pizza. So I got the pizza, here it is, and I should be back at the hotel in 10 minutes where I'm gonna try the pizza. So I'll see you back at the hotel, everyone. Here it goes. The pizza, I don't know what it looks like. It looks like they've used the wrong basin. I wanted the thicker crust, but it's okay. They made the mistake. Thicker on that side than it is on that side. But I'm going to taste it and find out, is it the best pizza? Do I like Domino's? Or shall I stick with Pizza Hut? This is my first ever bite of Domino's. Ever. So delicious. But I would have liked a thicker crust. My honest opinion, that is much better than Pizza Hut. I would give it a total rating of 8.4 out of 10. That is a wicked pizza. I just feel like for a 10 out of 10, it is missing a few bits. And also, got myself a Coke. It's not cold. Oh man. So don't know if I'm going to drink it or not. Might just leave it for now and take it home. But that is a good pizza. Oh my god. Trying Pizza Hut for the first time ever. Yes. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video, whenever that is. Bye for now. Bye! I would like to take a moment of my time and your time to pay respects to the family, friends, and also to remember the 3 people that were stabbed to death in the early hours of yesterday morning in Nottingham city centre. May they rest in peace.